Hello traders, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we have uh, an expert advisor for MetaTrader 5, and the name is Axonshift Expert Advisor. We are going to be reviewing this expert advisor on this video, so ensure you watch until the end. This is a newer XAUUSD EA for the 1 hour time frame, and it's getting lots of attention for its advanced shift logic and prop firm features. And the seller promises strong trend trading with smart trailing and safe money management. But is it true? Is it worth it? Let's break down what they actually claim and compare it with my backtest, which I had the opportunity to run on this Axonshift Expert Advisor. So stay tuned and watch until the end. But before we dive into today's expert advisor, we have a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in. It's for free. You can get it using the link in the description below, so ensure you check it out. It's actually worth it. Now, according to this MQL5 page, the Axonshift Expert Advisor uses a unique Axonshift engine. Actually, they call it an algorithm, and this is combined with advanced filters to identify high probability entries on gold XAUUSD. It trades directionally on the 1 hour time frame, and it always trades with stop loss and take profit plus intelligent, in quotes, trailing stop that locks in profit as the trend moves. Now, this is what the developer Maxim Kurochkin says on this page, and he says there's no dangerous methods. It's full prop firm ready with drawdown protection, and he claims that it works on any broker, but it's best on low spreads. They also show massive backtest with millions of results, with millions in profit. We have 46 million in profit from 2010 to I think 2024, yeah, thereabouts, and we are looking at over 46 million in total profits. We're also looking at 94% win rate, and we also have insane profit factors of 47.3, and this is all crazy. And we also have very low drawdowns of just 1 to 2%. They emphasize the visual HUD panel, and there's also risk calibration and how it's built for consistent long-term results on XAUUSD. This is their equity curve, which they just show as a straight push to the upside with millions in profit. And on paper, it looks like a modern professional gold trend follower designed for serious traders and challenges. And I will dive deeper and compare with my backtest, so ensure you watch until the end. I ran everything on my backtest. So talking about the features, the setup is straightforward. Just attach it to your XAUUSD chart on the 1 hour time frame. Choose your risk bracket from between 0 to 5. Enable trailing stop and prop shield if needed. The marketed highlights include that the Axonshift core dynamic trailing with arm distance and increment. We also have news filter option. We have the max drawdown limits, and there is also on chart HUD. As you can see, this is how the on chart HUD will look like. This is basically what it does on the chart, and they say the minimum deposit is low. As you can see, it's constantly updated for current market conditions. Minimum deposit is just $500, and they also advise for raw spread brokers with low latency execution. And that is all for the features and settings. I had the opportunity to run this on my own backtest, and I did this on the XAUUSD on the 1 hour time frame from April 2025 to April 2026 on a $10,000 account, and I use this on the every tick modeling with risk bracket of 1 in my inputs, and the equity curve looks mostly steady up. It looks like a nice climb upwards with some very visible dips and one bigger pullback. You can see this very big pullback around December 2025, and it ended with about just $21,000 in profit, with a profit factor of 3.0. That's impressive. And we have max equity drawdown of around 32 to 34%, and 172 trades actually for the year in total. Now that all of this is impressive, but compared to the seller's god mode results with millions in profits over the span of years, I would say that my test is way more realistic for real world conditions and more recent also, as we have some numbers here which are actually different. Like the max drawdown they preach is 1 to 2%, but here on my backtest I'm looking at 34% max drawdown, so that is quite big. We have a big one of 32 to 34% in their max drawdowns. And that's it. Features that actually matter on my backtest is just the TP at 450. We also have the SL at 3100, and the trailing arm at 120 points with 30 increment. We also have the risk bracket and the prop shield. This is the prop shield. We also have the prop shield, and all of this helps for drawdown limits. And also we also have the news filter, have the market guards, which helps protect your account on Fridays and on weekends. We also have the news filter, the same thing, protects your account in news. All of these are account protection. You can set everything here to your choice or your preferences, but this is just based on the default as it came with the expert advisor. And this is what I used to do to run my own backtest, and this is how it came out on the equity curve. It's impressive, I would say, but be mindful of these sharp drawdowns. It's a solid trend following gold EA with decent trend trading logic. It performs well when gold is moving directionally, but it struggles more in choppy or ranging markets. You can see that it's evident on the chart. This is a ranging market we have right here, and you can see that all the trades entered there are very, very choppy. We don't really have a straightforward profit that was taken there, and this is just how it works, so you should be mindful of it. Nuances is that it's very sensitive to volatility spikes, and the broker quality and the spread matter a lot. There's always call fitting risk on recent gold moves, so you should be mindful and should be careful about that. I'll say gold can be wild, gold can be very volatile, so the wide stop lets trade breathe, but you see through some serious floating losses and drawdowns before trailing kicks in or it hits take profit. And the trailing works great in strong trends, but it can't save you from sharp reversals. Live trading will usually show slippage and bigger drawdowns than those optimized tests, so news can still bite even with the filter available. So these are things, realistic things that come with trading with expert advisors, especially one like Axonshift, which focuses on gold. I'll say this expert advisor is for experienced pro firm traders or gold specialists who can handle 25 to 40% drawdowns and let the system run without panicking. Those traders can go on with the Axonshift. And also, I would say that complete beginners should avoid this expert advisor. Super conservative accounts should avoid it also, and anyone who hates watching big floating losses and max drawdown go on for days or for hours, you should probably avoid this expert advisor. It's mainly for experts. If this honest review gave you real value, smash the like button and subscribe. You turn on the notifications so that you won't miss out on reviews like this. Drop in the comments which EA you want me to test next, and grab that free Forex robot in the description. It's actually useful, it's actually worth it. Thank you for watching this video, and trade safe out there. Peace.